It is glass to
Air.
air. Okay, like this. So it has a refractive index of. Acha, here speed of light will be exactly c, and here it would be v,
So it will be V upon C.
and mu is 1 upon sine c. What is the angle? Suppose it is I, it is r, eh? That is equal to sine I by sine r, and that is equal to Na upon Ng is equal to sine I by sine r,
This won't change. This I understood.
है ना?
This, but when it's C upon V, then
Now I am coming to that also, and since n is equal to c upon v, n मतलब refractive index, so here exactly it is the invert. This was the case when air to glass, from air to glass.
but from glass to air, it will be V upon C.
Yeah, but from glass to air, just invert.
V upon C.
V upon C is what?
From glass to air
So,
equals to refractive index. No.
No.
Then
So refractive index of what? A refractive index of glass with respect to air.
air.
So G, already I have written G N A. So Na upon Ng, it won't affect this equation whether ray of light is moving from air to glass or glass to air. This is universal.
C upon V.
Yes.
C will always be on top.
If a refractive index of medium you are talking is n.
Meaning, like,
If refractive index of that medium is n, then it will be always top, c upon v. Whether ray of light is moving from air to glass or glass to
so
air.
if it's moving from air, if it's moving from air with respect to glass, it will be
But we never say air with respect to glass,
then what?
because the standard thing is fixed air. Any denser medium ka refractive index is with respect to air. Always we are in a system to compare.
But isn't that only when we're going from air to glass? Or if we're going from glass to air?
So that's what you have given me.
Then
This is
it'll
the
be
question. So, but still, this is a universal fact.
So it won't change
This won't change
from glass
because
to air.
it is n is the refractive index of denser medium. It is n refractive index of G, refractive index of G with respect to air. This n. So I'll mention this also here, so that you could don't remember n is equal to c upon v. You will have to remember this also.
Okay.
What also remember, I'll mention. Also remember along with the above formula what that n is a n g, that is Ng upon Na, refractive index of glass with respect to air. It is fixed, then only this is universal.
But if it's GNA,
Gna, ha,
then
so
it will switch.
तब तो then here it will be reversed.
But when you're moving from, when the question is find the refractive index of air with respect to glass,
with respect to glass.
Then it will switch.
Yeah, but it is not a standard thing to express.
But ma'am asked those questions. That's
हाँ
why I was asking.
हाँ तब तो फिर obviously you will invert.
What about if it's V1 upon V2? Will the same thing happen?
अच्छा, in context to previous question,
Yeah.
V1 upon V2 where?
Yeah. What if it's going from glass to air and the equation you want to use is V1 upon V2?
Oh, ठीक है. It is V1 and
This won't change. And you have to find the refract. Like when you say.
because in whenever air inside the air medium ray of light travels, we choose standard notation of C only.
So V1 upon V2 will not be.
Ideally it should not.
Okay.
Since air
What
has
if
come.
it's going from glass to water?
हाँ.
Then you use V1 upon V2. But
Now
then what if it's going from. Yeah, that's the meaning.
glass
Water.
to water.
Yeah.
Acha, now let us consider this thing. Glass to water. Here's V1, V2 or C1, C2, whatever notation you can use. So I'm taking as V1 is the speed of light in glass medium and it is V2.
Okay.
And here refractive index is Ng and here refractive index is Nw, right?
So it will be G and
Glass has a refractive index, factually it is 1.5 and this is 1.33. That means this is denser, so denser to rarer ultimately it is going. So I'll choose like this. This is I, this is R. Now it is G N W, that is Nw upon Ng is equal to sin I by sin R, and then that is also equal to now one more reference I am to give. Since N is C upon V, that means N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. Now you would never get confused if you choose this thing to remember, because refractive index and speed of light in corresponding medium are inversely proportional to each other always. So product is always constant. N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2 is equal to N3 V3 and so on, so on, so on, so on. So now if we have like this,
So N1.
it implies that NW upon Nw upon Ng is equal to Vg upon Vw, because they are inverse ratios.
So it will get inverse.
Yeah, so that's why Nw Vw is equal to Ng into Vg, in whichever form you would like to mention. And I have given theoretical reference also, that from here only we conclude this.
I'll write this.
I think now you would never get confused.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah.
Because in 3-4 formats we have discussed.
Yeah.
Basically we should remember.